Okay, so we're gonna start with removing the negative terminal end. But since I'm gonna be replacing the battery, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just take it out. So what you do is you take out these little mini bolts on the airbox. Pop that straight like that. Put on this side. After that, we're just gonna take off the oil filter. Just pop it right out. So right here, we're gonna take out the box too, so we can start the battery easier. So we're gonna go ahead and undo this little cover. There we go. Put it underneath it. After, I'm gonna take this connector out, just to push. There we go. Just a little push connector clip. Put it on the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the boot. So with the 8mm, we're gonna go ahead and remove the clamp right here, or just not remove it, just loosen it enough. So we can remove the boot, the whole airbox, like so. There we go. And it should come out. Okay. So you just want to slowly wiggle it out, like so. You just hold on by some rubber grommets. Put it on the side. Okay, so after that, we're gonna go ahead and remove the terminal. Okay, so with the little clip prop tool, we're gonna go ahead and take it out from the little cover here. So there's two. So that's so. There we go. There we go. We're gonna grab it. We're gonna release this connector here. So these little clip right here. We'll go ahead and remove this. See if we can grab it. See if we can push it. There we go. So it's a little push, and then you just release it. Okay, so with the 10mm, we're gonna go ahead and remove the bracket. So there's two nuts on the side to remove the bracket. On this side. Okay. Let me just put that. So after that, you just want to grab from the bottom, and it should slide right up the little cover. Like so. There we go. Push it down a little bit so that you could pull the battery and slide it forward. And then you want to release the other terminal. Just loosen it. Go ahead and put this up like that. There you go. Then since I'm replacing it, I'm just going to go ahead and take it out. So we're installing our brand new battery. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install this terminal first. Like so. With our 10mm, I'm gonna hit it a little bit, make sure it's flush. sure it's secured into place. That's not gonna move, so we're gonna go ahead and push it back. There we go. Just lift it if it doesn't want to push back, like so. Gonna put that right there, that little groove. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna install this temporarily. It comes with the brand new battery. Sometimes they come with a little cover. I'm gonna just install that, and then I like to put a little rag, so that way the terminal doesn't touch and it touches the ground. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this little cover back on, like so. There we go. Make sure it sits flush. Okay. After that, I'm gonna install these little clips we removed. This one right there. So I'm using this tool just to guide it in into the hole. Okay, there we go. And these last two right here on the side. There we go. Okay. Covers. Back it next. Like so. Put the 10mm bolts. I'm gonna tighten them down. Same with the other side. Like this so. We're gonna go ahead and install the positive terminal. So it might spark, or if it has an aftermarket alarm, it might trigger it. So be careful, don't get scared. So I think I'm gonna push it. Make sure it's flush. Let's go ahead and tighten it. So it's moving, make sure it doesn't move. Anything else moves. We're gonna go ahead and install the connector back on. Like so. So it clicks. There we go. And then install this little holder here. Okay. Okay, same thing with this little boot. I like to grab a little bit of grease, put it on the boot so it could slide very smoothly, doesn't give us a hard time, just very little. Since I have some a little bit more in my hand and fingers, I'm going to go ahead and just put grease here, because why not? Should be another one right here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and install it the way we removed it. Open this up. It's going to fall there. Let's get this box first. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and push the bolt down. So right there. Not line it. It's going to lock. Okay, that's flush right there. Let's set into a place. We're gonna go ahead and over get the connector. Mass airflow sensor. A little clip right there. Okay, so we want to make sure it sits up tight. Go ahead and tighten it. And it's gonna be a 8mm. Be careful with that negative or positive terminal end. just want to move it around, make sure it doesn't come off, and that's good right there. So next we're gonna put this little cover back on. So you just pull it into a little groove, and that's good right there. So there's a little bit of dust and dirt, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum that. Okay, so for the air filter, there's this little clipper here. So that's gonna be facing down. It's gonna go in that little groove right here. So we're gonna go, and then this thing literally just goes on it. Let's go ahead and give it that first. Goes on it. Want to make sure it goes in that little groove, like so. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. So next we're gonna put the cover back on. So it really just goes on top of it. Make sure the bolts go in this little holes to tighten it. Okay. So now with the 8mm, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it.